Fine. So let's start today's class. This is TP1 plus TO1. How many classes I have taken for you people? One or two?
So two.
Good. Two classes we have done with. Check it out. Is my screen visible to everyone or not?
Sir,
Yes,
visible.
sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
It's visible to everyone. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So till the last class, we have discussed that the diagram what we have created was not a DFA, right? That's what we have learned about. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss further to that. And before moving to the concept of DFA or before making a DFA for ourselves, first I will take you two classes back where I have explained the states. Somebody remembers how many types of states I have explained you?
Sir, four types.
Yeah, what four types of states they were?
Initial state, final state, non-final, and dead state.
Good. So out of that, we have discussed initial, we have discussed non-final, we have discussed final. The only state which was remaining was dead state. Okay. So before moving on to rest of the content, first we will cover this dead state. Okay. Now let's check it out. What is dead state? First, I'm other words, this is also called as trap state, dead state or trap state. Okay. Now, first of all, let us understand that what is the notation for this particular one. So, as we know, we have to keep one name for a state. Okay. And after that, make sure to make self loops with respect to all the input symbols. Self loop does mean that the source of edge and destination of edge should be the state itself. Okay. Source and destination of the state will remain same. So this type of state is called dead state. What is the specialty of this state? Somehow, if automata has come to this particular state, now there is no way to go out from this state. If the control of automata has come to this particular state, now there is no way for automata to go out of this state. Okay. For example, if I have two input symbols, let's say A and B, then how to create a dead state? Like this. We may be having QI, or even if you want, you can keep its name as QD, Q0, Q1, whatever. Like this. It represents the dead state. Or let us say if I have sigma as only A, in that case, I will be creating one state like this. This is dead state. If your sigma is 0, comma 1, then it should be like QD. Remember, the name can be anything, and 0, comma 1. So that's the way how to denote a dead state. Now let's find out what is the importance of this one, why it is so important. Okay, let me tell you that. There is a word called permanent. Somebody knows the meaning of this permanent? What is the meaning of permanent?
It stays the same forever.
Something.
No changes can be made.
When something is permanent, no more further changes can be made. All right. So this dead state represents the permanent things. Dead state represents the permanent things. Now, what two things can be permanent? Either acceptance of the string can be permanent, right? Acceptance of the string can be permanent, or rejection of the string can be permanent. Either you can accept that string permanently or you can reject that string permanently. So this permanent concept will be denoted by dead state. Okay, this permanent concept is denoted by dead state. If you want to accept something permanently, then you are supposed to make this dead state as one of the final state. If you want to accept the things permanently, then it should be final state, or if you want to reject it permanently, then it should be a non-final state. So simple thing what we can say is that a dead state which is final, it will accept a string for always permanently, and the dead state which is non-final, it will reject that string permanently. That means if I'm creating a string like this, if I'm creating a state like this, it represents permanent acceptance. And if I am creating a state like this, sorry, if I am creating and state like this, it represents the permanent rejection. All right, it represents the permanent rejection. Is that clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, I'm getting hardly 8 or 10 voices. I want this answer from everyone. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So since this is clear to everyone, now we will try to create a DFA for this. Okay, the one which we have created, this was an NFA. Now we will try to create a DFA for this. Again, for the same question, nothing we are going to change. It's the same thing. We are creating a DFA for, in fact, let me write this question once again. So now the question is, design a DFA. This time I'm not writing FA. This time I'm writing DFA. So design a DFA for the language which contains only string A over sigma is equal to A. Fine. Now we are going to design a DFA, and I hope everybody is going to participate with me actively. If you really want to learn the subject, you have to show an active participation. Okay, now let's start. So if I want to start this, with which state I have to start it?
Initial state.
I have to start this with the
Initial state. Yes.
initial state. We have to start this automata with the initial state. And how to denote an initial state? Now I will say the name, and only that person should give me the answer. Okay, so now Nikita will tell me the answer. How to represent the initial state?
Sorry, sir. I was absent yesterday, so I don't know because of fever.
Okay. Smriti. Smriti will tell me how to represent the initial state.
Yes, sir. First an arrow and then the location of circle inside that
Right. So it should be having a circle Inside this, there should be a name and then there should be an arrow. So that's what the representation of initial state, right? Now, on this Q0, if I am getting one symbol A, then what I'm supposed to do? Accept it or reject it?
Accept it.
What others are doing? Why I'm having only one voice of Rishabh Sharma?
Sir, accept. We will accept, sir.
We will have to
Sir, accept it.
accept this thing, right? Now, how to accept? By taking it on a final or non-final? Which state?
Final.
Final state.
Final.
Final.
Yabasira Dana, why you are not speaking? Yabasira Dana, unmute your call, else I will remove you from the meeting.
Yes, sir.
Why you are not speaking when everybody else is giving answers?
Yeah, sir. I'm writing in chat box.
Be attentive in the class. That's what I told you in the very first class itself.
Yeah, sir. Okay.
So now tell me where I'm supposed to take it, on a final state or on a non-final state?
Final state, sir.
On a final state. So I am supposed to take it on a final state. Okay, so this will go to a final state A. That's how. And what is the problem now? Why it is not a DFA? Because from Q0 with respect to A, we have a path, but from Q1 with respect to A, we don't have a path. So now we are supposed to create a path from Q1 with respect to A. But before creating that path, first I would like to give you a quick revision that what is been the usage of state. Okay, you remember what I have written over there? What is the state? State is a small memory. It's a small memory for the, or you can say it's a unit amount of memory by using which automata remembers something. All right, automata remembers something. So now it's time to use this concept. Okay, check it carefully. So when you are on the Q1, what an automata can remember? What has already come to the string? Tell me this. If I am on Q1, then what my string already is having?
A.
A.
This is clear to everyone. If I am on Q1, then it is damn sure that my string is already having one A. Okay. Now after this, suppose if one more A is coming. Okay, one A has already come. Now one more A is coming. Now what I am supposed to do? Should I accept it or should I reject it?
Sir, maybe reject it because the question is only for one stream. A.
Smriti, first be at a comfortable place where you don't have other noises.
Sir,
Haji. So
I
shall
think it should. I think it should reject it, sir, because a state is a unit memory. So I don't think it should hold more than one unit of anything.
okay. What is your name?
Rishabh.
Rishabh. Okay. What else? Somebody else can give the answer. It should be
Sir,
accepted
reject
or
it
rejected.
because only
Ah.
one transition can be there in DFA.
Okay. Who else? Accepted or rejected? It should be accepted or rejected. What happened to Kalab Kiros? Kalab Kiros, unmute your call. Kalab Kiros. Guys, if you will do like this, now let me take a strict action. I will seriously remove you from the meeting. I'm telling you. It's not about texting. You have to give me the answer. it should be rejected or accepted? Jash Virani,
Rejected, sir.
rejected. And what is the reason of rejection? Jash Virani, why should we reject this? Am I audible to you, Jash? See, the people who said it should be rejected, that thing is correct. But the reason what you are mentioning for rejection, that's not correct. It's not like that DFA can have only one transition or two transitions or something like that. Just think of it. If DFA could have only one transition, then the only string we can make over DFA is A, B, 0, 1, nothing else. More than one characters cannot be taken over the DFA. But when I was explaining you the language is possible over the string A, over the sigma A, then I told you that there are so many different languages possible. In fact, infinite number of languages were possible. A, double A, triple A, even number of A's, odd number of A's, anything is possible. Here a lot of languages are possible. So if you are thinking that DFA can have only one transition, then I would never be able to have more than one length of the string. But is it like this? Answer is no. So there is no because it has been written in the question. What has been written in the question? Question is clearly telling you that you are supposed to accept a language which contains the only string is A. Not more than this, not less than this. Am I correct?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
It is written in the question that you are supposed to accept a single A, nothing else than that. Okay, so that's what the reason it should be rejected. Now I hope everybody is clear for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if I want to reject it, that means from Q1 if I'll get one A, so in order to reject this particular one, where I should take it, on a final state or on a non-final state?
Non-final.
Non-final.
The non-final.
Obviously I'm supposed to take it on a non-final state. All right, that means from Q1 if I get one A, where I will take it? I will take it to another state which is Q2, and this state should be non-final. Okay, now it's not finished until now. Now you have to think that this rejection is permanent or temporary. Tell me this. This rejection is permanent or temporary?
Permanent, sir.
Nobody has to follow each other. Share your own thoughts. This rejection should be permanent or temporary? I got only one voice until now. What about
Permanent,
others?
sir.
Sir, I think it should be permanent.
Okay. What about the others?
Sir, I think it should be temporary, sir, because if they input it one more time, like after this thing ends, if they want to, input it one more time, another string A, single string A, so it should accept it. So I think it should be temporary.
Tell me one thing. Once they have already inputted two A's, now after this, if they will input one more A, so that will become a single A or three A's together?
That
Sir,
would be
three A's.
that would be 3 A's. But sir, after this rejection, it would, if they are going to enter a new string.
No, don't think like this. See, try to understand one thing. If you have this kind of confusion, then listen this discussion carefully. Suppose there is a function f a comma b. What this function do? This function simply do a plus b. All right, fine. Now from main function we are just calling this particular function. Okay, and let us say that from this place we are calling 10 comma 20. It's like this. Okay, now if I want to call this function with some other parameters, so do I have to define this function once more?
No, sir.
No. If I want to call it with, let's say 5 and 6, then I will just simply call this function. I don't have to define this function once more. Automatically this a will contain 5 and this b will contain 6. That similar thing is there. If you want to pass a second string s2 to a finite automata f, then it's not like that you have to create a new fa. It's just like in one step you will be passing this s1 to f, and it will tell you that whether it has accepted the s1 or rejected the s1. In next time you will be passing this s2 to f. So in that case what will happen? See, just like that, if I pass this another parameter, then will this function start working from the very first line or not?
Yes, sir.
It
Clear,
will
sir.
start working again. So whenever you will be passing another s2 to this particular finite automata, then it will start work from the beginning. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So like that. So we have to check it over different strings, but not like this. We should not relate two strings. It's not like that from the middle of the state we will start giving next string. Whenever
Okay,
that
sir.
next string will be given, it will start working from the beginning. So again it will start from q0 itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I want to have the answer from everyone once again. So this rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
Permanent. Still if some people are confused, you can see this discussion. Since I am on q1, that means already one a has come. Now if another a is coming, then one thing is sure, that this double a should be rejected. Now what do we mean by permanent? Because now you think, is there anything else which you can bring to this string which can make this rejected string to be accepted?
No, sir.
There's nothing. Doesn't matter how many a's you will take this to this string, this will always be rejected. Now that's what the reason why this is supposed to be a permanent rejection. And in case of permanent rejection, I know that I am supposed to make a, sorry, I was about to make this final, but this should not be final. In case of permanent rejection, I know that I am supposed to create one of the dead states. So this has to be dead, or this has to be trapped state. All right, fine. So this is supposed to be my DFA. Okay, now before deciding whether I've created a correct one or not, we can check once again that do we have a path from q1 to a? Do we have it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, we have it now. Now there is another state q2. So is there a path from q2 to a?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is. So now I can say that this machine is a DFA. Okay, is everybody clear for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there
Yes,
anyone
sir.
who is having any kind of doubt? I want a yes sir from everyone if you are clear for this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now before moving to the next question, now I want you people to do one thing. Okay, because now you have to see one thing what I have shown you, but if you will just keep on watching what I am doing, trust me, you will never be able to create a DFA on your own. So if you really want to create a DFA on your own, then you must design it. Okay, and for doing this you need a paper and a pen. So take a 30 seconds gap and everybody brings up one blank copy and a pen very fast. Right now it is 12:37. I'm waiting till 12:38. Everybody go and bring one copy and a pen fast. Till then, if anybody has doubt, you can ask me. If any one
Sir?
of you is having doubts, you can ask me. हाँ जी.
Can you explain once again why Q2 have path A?
What should I explain? Why
Q2 has a path A.
Q2 is a
Q2 है
कोई बात नहीं, तुम हिंदी में बोलो.
एक मतलब Q2 के पास ये पाथ कैसे जा रहा है?
ओके, क्योंकि एक बात तो ये है कि हम DFA बना रहे हैं. The people, the foreign national people, right now I'm speaking in Hindi because this is especially I'm solving for who has asked me the doubt? Priyank, because this is the personal doubt to Priyank and he's more comfortable in Hindi, that's why I'm solving in Hindi. But all the students, don't be worried about this. If you have your own doubts, you can ask it. I will be solving in your preferred language, either Hindi or English. No problem with respect to that. So keep collecting your doubts right now. If somebody is not able to understand, no problem, because I'm solving personally for Priyank. ध्यान से सुनो प्रियंक, सबसे पहले तो हम DFA बना रहे हैं, ठीक है. DFA बना रहे हैं तो क्या चीज इंश्योर करनी पड़ेगी कि आपके पास हर एक इनपुट सिंबल के लिए हर स्टेट से एक पाथ जरूरी होना चाहिए. हाँ या ना?
हाँ.
मतलब ये बात पक्की है कि Q2 से मुझे एक पाथ तो बनाना ही बनाना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. अब मैं Q2 से जब मतलब Q2 पे मैं एक बार नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, जब आप Q1 से आपको एक और A मिला है, ठीक है, तो आप इसे एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो या रिजेक्ट कर रहे हो?
रिजेक्ट, क्योंकि ऊपर एक की बार है स्ट्रिंग में.
ठीक है, तो जब मैं रिजेक्ट करूंगा तो आई विल टेक इट ऑन टू द डेड स्टेट. अब डेड स्टेट को बनाने का तरीका क्या है? जितने भी आपके पास इनपुट सिंबल्स हैं सभी का सेल्फ लूप बना देना है. चाहे वो एक्सेप्टेंस हो, चाहे वो रिजेक्शन हो. रिजेक्शन है तो नॉन फाइनल हो जाएगी डेड स्टेट, एक्सेप्टेंस है तो वही डेड स्टेट फाइनल हो जाएगी. तो मेरे पास कितने इनपुट सिंबल हैं? एक ही है. मैंने क्या किया, उसका पाथ बना दिया सेल्फ लूप पर.
ओके,
ठीक है, फाइन. एनीथिंग एल्स प्रियंक?
नो सर, थैंक यू.
Fine. Anybody else who want to ask your doubts?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Question, sir.
Yeah,
From
Say your question.
from where did you get the path from Q2? First, he said we have a path from Q1 because we have a final receiver Q2, but we don't have another receiver from Q2. From where did you get it? The path?
Yeah, sure. So from Q1, if I am having this A, then one thing is sure that I have to reject it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This rejection should be permanent or temporary?
It should be permanent.
It should be permanent rejection. Okay.
Of
If I
course.
want to reject it permanently, that means I have to take it onto a
The dead state?
dead state. Now, how to represent a dead state? Whatever the number of input symbols are there, you have to create a self loop with respect to all those input symbols. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, how many input symbols you have here?
Here we have one.
You have only one symbol. And what is that symbol?
The letter A. The symbol A. Yeah.
The symbol A, right? That's what I'm doing. I have to create the self loop in which it will start from Q2, it will end up on Q2 with the letter A. Are you clear with my answer?
Yes, sir.
Still, is there any more doubts which you want to ask?
No, sir. It's clear now.
Fine. Anybody else who want to ask any more questions?
Sir, in every DFA there is a last state is always a dead state or no?
No. That depends on question to question. In this particular one, it is the dead state. It's not necessary that on every DFA we will have a dead state. It's not compulsory. It always vary from question to question. Remember, if there is any permanent thing, either permanent rejection or permanent acceptance, in that case surely we will have one dead state. But if there is nothing permanent, in that case there will not be any dead state.
Okay. Okay, sir. But sir, in every state we have to choose a path, na. So and if we cannot choose a path, then it will be the NFA, na.
No, it will be DFA. No. See, if from every state we must have a path, in that case it is DFA, not NFA.
Sir, but if we are not using the date state as the last date, okay. So so last date is has not no any state, na. So
Your question is not clear. But sure, but there's a lot of noise around you.
सर मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि अगर हम लोग लास्ट डेट है वो डे स्टेट नहीं कर रहे, ठीक है, तो फिर वो मतलब कि उसके पास फिर वी हैव टू चूज ए पाथ पाथ ना के ये से बनाने के लिए.
हाँ सही बात है, वी हैव टू चूज अ पाथ. बट ये जरूरी नहीं है कि वो पाथ जो है वो डेड स्टेट की ओर ही जाएगा. भाई ये भी तो पॉसिबल है, शायद यहाँ से वो पाथ वापस Q0 पर चला जाए.
ओके सर.
This is also possible, no? That we can have a path from Q1 to Q0. So that's why it's not compulsory to have a dead state. It depends on question to question.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else who want to ask? Is all your doubts solved, Mansi?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Anybody else who has any more doubts? This is the root of subject. This is, you can say, it's the base of the subject. So whatever number of questions you have in your mind, you are free to ask all those questions from me with respect to this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, as you just now stated that we could have also done that Q1 to Q0 for closing that. So
Yes.
why didn't we do that in this question?
That I was saying just for the example, like she was confused that whether a last step has to be a dead state or it can be some other state. But as I told you that whether a last state has to be on a dead state or on some other state, that varies from question to question. It depends on the objective. The objective what we have given with, according to that objective, we are not supposed to keep it on Q0. Why we are not supposed to keep it on Q0? Let me tell you that.
Yes,
For
sir.
example, for the given objective, what objective we have, for that objective, if you keep it onto the Q1, okay, suppose you are creating this type of diagram. We have it on the Q1 from A, and again we are taking out onto the Q0. Now what may happen, try to understand. If I have 4 A's in a string, or let us say if I have 3 A's in a string, according to our objective, it should be accepted or rejected.
It should be accepted.
Why? We have been clearly told that it should be a single A only.
Oh, okay, sir. According to question, it should be rejected.
Obviously, according to
yes.
question, that's what I'm saying. According to
Okay,
question,
okay.
we have to see. So according to question, it should be rejected.
Rejected.
But try to understand, try to trace this string. If I'm on Q0 and if I have one single A, where I will go?
Sorry, sir.
If I am right now on Q0
Yes.
and on Q0 the string is containing A, then on which string I will go? On which state I will go?
To Q1.
To Q1. That's fine, no problem. Now I am on Q1 and the symbol onto the string remaining is A.
A.
So from Q1, if I will get A, according to this diagram, where I will go back?
We only have one option, that is Q0.
Q0, we will go back to Q0. Now on Q0 we are, and the string contains the symbol A.
Yes, sir.
So on which state we will go back?
There's none left. None
No.
new state left to go.
No,
We cannot go back to Q1.
Yeah, we can go. Why we cannot go? We can go. Who said that you cannot go once again to another state, to a state? From Q0, there is a path to A. There's a path with respect to A, and which is taking us on the state Q1. So
Q1.
again, I will go on Q1. There is no such rule that we are
Yes, sir.
supposed to be on one state only once. we can reach to a state twice or thrice or n number of times. Okay, so
Okay.
finally I am staying on q1. All right, after these 3 A's I am staying on q1. So q1 is a final state or a non-final state?
Final.
So since you are ending up on a final state, so actually what you have done, accepted this string.
Accepted.
But should you do that?
No, sir. According to question, it must be rejected.
That's why that we cannot take it back to the q0.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Anybody else who is having any more doubts with respect to this? All your questions will be answered, and all your questions are most welcome. Ask it
sir-
as much as possible. Yes.
So, sir, the use case of this scenario, like Q0 to Q1 and then back to Q0, it would be when we don't have any limit to the number of, we don't have any limit to accepting the number of
Yes,
inputs.
yes. Whenever there is a cycle in any of the automata, either one state cycle or two state cycle, so whenever there is a cycle, it leads to the infinite length of string.
Okay, got it, sir. Clear.
Lot of such examples we will be using. Abhi, this is just beginning. I will be I will be using plenty of such examples. Almost 50 to 60 questions we will be doing like that. So at the end of all the questions, you will be clear enough with everything. Don't worry. Anybody else who want to ask any more questions? Shall I go further?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if everybody is quite clear with this and nobody is having any doubt, then you are supposed to say a no, sir. Very quick.
No, sir.
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 Fine. Let's move ahead. I hope everybody is now with a paper and a pen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody is
Yes,
supposed to have a paper and a
Yes.
pen, right? Now check this out. Again, I'm writing one more question. Now this time you have to create its DFA. Okay. Question is, design a DFA for a language. Make sure to make DFA only. For a language contains string double A over sigma is equal to A. Create this diagram. Come on. Make this one. Take your copy, take your pen and start making this question. Start doing this one. How many of you have done with this? Good.
So one question, sir. Sir,
Sure.
rejection पे non-final state होता है ना loop?
हाँ बिल्कुल. रिजेक्शन पे नॉन फाइनल होता है. अब आपको ध्यान देना पड़ेगा वो रिजेक्शन परमानेंट है कि टेम्परेरी है. टेम्परेरी है तो डेड नहीं बनाना है, लूप नहीं लगाना है, और परमानेंट है तो लूप लगा के डेड बना देना है.
Okay, sir. Then done, sir. It is done.
Good. What about others?
Done, sir.
I need this done, sir, from all those students who have done with this.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Fine. Now I want to hear it from those students who are not able to do this, who are finding some problems. Ask your questions where you are stuck. I want to hear it from those students who are not able to perform this question. Where you are stuck, ask your doubt. Fine. Since everybody have done it, so now let me show you what should be the solution. You can verify yours. Okay. And not only that, you should listen to me also carefully, because as I have told you that more than to see this, it's more important to listen to me, because you have to listen to my thoughts. The thoughts what I'm having in my mind, that is pretty important while making the DFAs. Okay, so make sure to think correctly. If you'll think correctly, then each and every DFA will be correct. If you will not think correctly, then probably this question you might have done correct, but other questions you will be definitely making mistakes if you will not think correctly. Okay, so on Q0, when I am, if I got one A, like for example, when I am on Q0, what is my current status? I have nothing in my string. When I'm on Q0, so Q0 remembers what? That I don't have anything. Okay, so it's like I don't have anything. Fine. Next, if I have single A, then I should accept it or reject it. Tell me this, I should accept it or reject it.
Accepted.
Accepted.
Accept.
No, you are supposed to reject it. Check it out. What you are supposed to accept? Double A or single A?
Double A.
Is it been said that it should be either single A or double A? No. It's been clearly written that it has to be a strict double A. So whether you should accept this single A or you should reject this single A?
Reject.
Reject it.
You should reject the single A. This one thing is clear, that I should reject it. Now I have to think, this rejection is permanent or temporary? This is permanent rejection or temporary rejection?
Temporary.
Temporary. Yes, temporary. Because if I will get another A after this one A, then I may accept this string. So since this is the temporary rejection, since it is rejection, so one thing is sure, that this state has to be a non-final state. Okay, but because this is temporary rejection, that's why I'm not making this state as the dead state. I'm making it as a normal non-final state. Okay, now since I am on Q1, so what I'm sure about, how much I have already got in my string?
Single.
Single A.
Single A has already came into my string. Now I am supposed to have what? Suppose I have another A. Okay, in that case, what will happen? Should I accept it or should I reject it?
Accept it.
Accept.
I have to accept it this time. Okay, and in order to accept this A, whether I should take it to a final state or a non-final state?
Final state.
Final.
Final state.
Final state. So I am supposed to make here one Q2, which is a final state. There I will take it. Okay, but you also have to think parallelly that this acceptance is temporary or permanent?
Permanent.
The permanent.
पक्का परमानेंट है? श्योर?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मतलब अगर एक बार डबल ए आ गया, इसके बाद स्ट्रिंग में कुछ भी आता रहे, मैं एक्सेप्ट ही करके रखूंगा
सर.
इसका मतलब फिर इस हिसाब से मुझे क्या क्या एक्सेप्ट कर लेना चाहिए? आई शुड एक्सेप्ट 3 A's ऑल्सो. यस और नो?
No sir.
No, sir.
You are saying that this is permanent acceptance, so that means after double A, if I'll get anything else, I will keep on accepting this.
No, sir.
It's not permanent, it is temporary. This is again the temporary acceptance only. Reason being because after this double A, if I'll get another A, whether I will accept it or reject it,
Rejected.
I have to reject this. Okay, fine. So since right now I am on Q2, so what I'm sure for, how many A's I have already got in my string?
Base.
Two A's. That means this much string is been already read by the computer. Okay. Now if I have another A, now I should do what? Accept or reject?
Reject.
Reject.
Reject this. If another A is coming, that means now this rejection should be permanent or temporary.
Permanent.
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 Yes, this rejection should be permanent. What is the reason of permanent? Because once I have got three A's, now there is no other way so that I can accept it, because doesn't matter how many A's you will get, now all the A's will be rejected only. What is the reason? Because only double A should be accepted, not more than that. That means since it is rejection, so I'm sure for one thing that it should be taken on one of the final or non-final state.
Non-final.
Non-final. Okay. And since it is permanent, so I'm supposed to make this state as the
Dead state.
so this should become the dead state. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if there is anyone who is having any doubt about this, you can ask me.
सर जब डबल ए एक्सेप्ट हो गया सर,
Hmm.
तो अगर हम उसको परमानेंट कर देते तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो उसके बाद और कुछ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा.
नहीं, आप रुकोगे कहाँ? आपने डबल ए को अगर परमानेंटली एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, तो उसका मतलब तो ये हुआ ना कि अब इसके बाद जो भी कुछ आएगा वो सब कुछ एक्सेप्ट हो जाएगा. बिकॉज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, वहां पर परमानेंट एक्सेप्टेंस आप सिर्फ डबल ए के लिए नहीं दे रहे हो. इफ यू आर हैविंग वन परमानेंटली, सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर आपने एक स्टेट को अगर आप परमानेंटली एक्सेप्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप किस तरह से बनाओगे? ऐसे ही बनाओगे ना?
यस सर.
करेक्ट. अब ये सिर्फ डबल ए के लिए एक्सेप्टेंस है?
नो.
ये तो चाहे जितने आ जाएं हर एक के लिए एक्सेप्टेंस है. Am I right?
बट सर ये डेड स्टेट हुआ ना.
Exactly. And that's what we are not supposed to make. You cannot make Q2 as, see, if you are saying that if we are accepting double A permanently, this is what your statement was. Am I right?
Yes.
But what is the correction? You can accept the string permanently or temporarily. You cannot fix that it should be only double A, because string is not fixed. Try to understand. This double A is what? This double A is not the string. This double A is a pattern which your automata should have as the inbuilt quality. What is the string? A string is varying according to user. User is changing that string at every moment.
बट सर इसमें तो हमारा सिग्मा ए है ना सर, तो और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है स्ट्रिंग चेंज करने का.
बहुत सारे ऑप्शन है. अगर 3 ए आ जाए तो ये भी एक अलग स्ट्रिंग है. 4 ए आ जाए तो ये भी एक अलग स्ट्रिंग है. 5 ए आ जाए तो ये भी एक अलग से स्ट्रिंग है. ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट स्ट्रिंग्स. आर दे सेम? टेल मी.
नो, बट सर अगर हमने 2 पे एंड करे तो फिर उसके बाद सर आगे प्रोग्रेस कैसे होगा? मेरे को वो समझ नहीं आ रहा.
प्रोग्रेस ऐसे होगा कि यूजर स्ट्रिंग देना बंद ही नहीं करेगा, देता ही जाएगा, देता ही जाएगा.
डेड स्टेट के बाद भी अगर उसने दिया तो फिर डेड स्टेट के बाद सर जब डेड स्टेट आ गया उसके बाद मतलब उसके स्ट्रिंग तो एक्सेप्ट होगी, फिर नेक्स्ट न्यू स्ट्रिंग नहीं होगी सर वो.
सी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सबसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने एक साथ रखे. दोबारा से बोलो अपना स्टेटमेंट. आपने बोला दोबारा से अपना स्टेटमेंट बोलो. क्या बोला आपने?
सर एक बार डेड स्टेट पे आ गया अपना ऑटोमेटा.
अभी रुक जाओ. अभी डेड स्टेट पे आने का मतलब आप क्या समझते हो? पहले मुझे ये बताओ.
मतलब ऑटोमेटा का काम खत्म हो गया. जो स्ट्रिंग उसमें
गलत 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 गलत.
अच्छा,
यहीं पर खुद को करेक्ट कर लो.
ओके.
डेड स्टेट पर आने से ऑटोमेटा का काम खत्म नहीं होता. ऑटोमेटा का काम तभी खत्म होगा जब स्ट्रिंग खत्म हो जाएगी. आपकी जो एक स्ट्रिंग है, यू कंसिडर एनी वन स्ट्रिंग, अब वो स्ट्रिंग क्या होगी that you cannot decide, because that is been given by user, and user can give any type of string. See, two different things.
Say your voice cut
User,
off.
wait. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Fine. I am not saying that user is giving different strings. User is giving only one string. Okay. But the point is that one string may contain any number of A's, which is not fixed before. So भले यूजर एक स्ट्रिंग दे रहा है, but I have to create such an automata which is comfortable for each and every string. Are you clear with this point? First of all,
Okay.
one thing. Now, second thing, if you are thinking that once dead state has come upon, now the job of automata is finished, okay, then this is wrong. Job of automata is not finished. What is the job of automata? The job of automata is to trace this whole string, whatever is being given by user. While if you consider this machine, on the third day itself, I will be on dead state. Am I right?
Okay sir, अब सर सब क्लियर हो गया सर.
Got the
Okay.
point? थर्ड डे पर
Yes,
भी
sir.
थर्ड डे पर ही मैं डेड स्टेट पर आ गया.
ओके
तो इसका
मतलब वो
मतलब ये
स्ट्रिंग
थोड़ी
एक्सेप्ट कर लेगा खाली 2 चेक करके, बट आगे के भी लाइक एक्सेप्ट
आगे
कर
के
लेगा.
लिए ना ना ना
चेक
आगे
सिर्फ
के
2
लिए
करेगा.
रिजेक्ट, हाँ नहीं सारे ही चेक करेगा और चेक करके रिस्पॉन्स भी करेगा, पर 2 पे एक्सेप्ट करेगा, बाकी आगे सारे रिजेक्ट कर देगा.
सर पॉइंट वही हुआ ना फिर,
क्या
मतलब
point
2 ही
हुआ?
एक्सेप्ट एक्सेप्ट 2 ही करे उसने.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, तो करना भी तो वही है. दैट्स व्हाट वी आर सपोज टू डू. 2 ही तो एक्सेप्ट करने हैं.
नहीं सर, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि अगर हमने वो क्या कहते हैं परमानेंट एक्सेप्ट कर दिया, तो फिर सर वो मतलब सेकंड स्ट्रिंग के बाद में भी आगे वाले सारे एक्सेप्ट करेगा क्या?
नहीं, यहाँ पर तो परमानेंट एक्सेप्ट किया ही नहीं है ना हमने. वेयर वी हैव
नहीं,
एक्सेप्टेड
मैं बोल
परमानेंट.
रहा हूँ अगर 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 वो करेंगे तो ऐसा होगा ना.
वेट फॉर दैट, वेट फॉर दैट. वो परमानेंट एक्सेप्टेंस के क्वेश्चंस भी अभी आएंगे. व्हेन दे विल कम, तब वहां पर उस क्वेश्चन को पूछना. बिकॉज इट्स लाइक, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर मैं अभी आपको आंसर करने की कोशिश करूंगा कि अगर हमने परमानेंटली एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, तो वो परमानेंट एक्सेप्टेंस का केस आने दो पहले, तब आपको सही तरीके से बात समझ में आएगी.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, मैं आई विल डिस्कस सम सच क्वेश्चंस. बहुत सारे परमानेंट एक्सेप्टेंस के क्वेश्चंस भी मैं डिस्कस करूंगा.
श्योर.
Anybody else who is having any more questions for this? So if nobody is having any doubt, like if everybody is clear for this, then say a yes sir. Everyone has to do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, wonderful. So last 5 minutes are there in the lecture. Start putting your roll numbers. Don't leave the session as if now. Okay, and fine. Start putting your roll numbers into the chat box. Your enrollment numbers into the chat box for attendance, and fine. Those people, only those people who don't have any doubt remaining up to now, okay, only they can leave the session. Those students who don't have any more doubts remaining, after putting your enrollment number only, they are supposed to leave the session. And if there is any person who is still having some doubts, then stay with the session. I repeat, only after putting your roll numbers into the chat box, your enrollment numbers into the chat box, all those students who don't have any more doubts, they should leave this meeting. And if there is anyone who is having doubt, don't leave the meeting, stay in the meeting. फाइन. तो अब सारे लोग वही रह गए हैं जिनको डाउट है. आई होप एवरीबडी मस्ट हैव पुट द रोल नंबर्स इनटू द चैट बॉक्स। और अब वही लोग रह गए केवल जिनको डाउट्स हैं।
सर आई डोंट हैव एनी डाउट, मैं जस्ट वेट करो देखने के लिए कि दूसरे किसी का डाउट है जो इन केस
वेरी
अगर
वेरी
सेम
गुड,
है
Sir,
तो
I
सेम।
have
वेरी गुड,
doubt.
वेरी गुड। एनीबडी एल्स? अब जिसको भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है, यू कैन आस्क मी।
Sir, can we input 2A together?
We can input uh, like
At a time.
machine. No, no, no. Machine, you can input any number of A's together. That doesn't matter. But machine cannot read two A's together.
So
Getting
it
my
will
point?
take one by one.
Yes, definitely. It will always take one by one. Doesn't matter you put how many number of A's together. Machine is going to read one by one. There is no way for automata to read two symbols together. That's for sure.
Yes, sir, that was my doubt.
Fine. Anybody else who want to ask? Any more questions?
सर अगर हम Q1 से वापस Q0 पे जाते हैं तो डज दैट मीन कि वी हैव एंटर द न्यू स्ट्रिंग?
दोबारा बोलो।
अगर हम Q1 से Q0 पे वापस जाते हैं इनिशियल स्टेट पे, तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि यूजर ने नया स्ट्रिंग एंटर किया है?
नहीं नहीं, इसका मतलब यूजर ने एक नया, मतलब इसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि यूजर ने नया स्टेट नया स्ट्रिंग एंटर किया। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर अभी भी हमारे पास एक और कैरेक्टर बचा है, इसका मतलब अभी तक यूजर ने जो कुछ एंटर किया था वो हमने पूरी तरह से पढ़ा नहीं है। स्टिल वी आर रिमेनिंग विद दैट।
ओके सर।
ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। अब ये सब यूजर ने एंटर किया है, ये एक ही बार में एंटर कर दिया ना यूजर ने, ठीक है, बट हम इसे एक एक करके पढ़ रहे हैं। तो स्टिल इफ आई हैव द स्कोप कि मैं वापस Q1 से Q0 पर जा रहा हूं, तो ध्यान से समझिए, इससे मैं स्टेट में तो पीछे जा रहा हूं, बट स्ट्रिंग में मैं वापस कभी पीछे नहीं जाता हूं। एक बार मैंने 4 A अगर पढ़ लिए, तो क्या मैं वापस से जाके तीसरा A पढ़ूंगा?
नो सर।
स्ट्रिंग में तो मैं आगे ही बढ़ता हूँ।
ओके।
स्टेट में भले ही पीछे जाऊं, स्ट्रिंग कभी पीछे थोड़ी जाती है, स्ट्रिंग तो आगे बढ़ेगी ना। जो एक कैरेक्टर एक बार पढ़ लिया उसे दोबारा नहीं पढ़ा जाएगा। तो अगर अभी भी आप Q1 से QA पर जा पा रहे हो, इसका मतलब स्ट्रिंग में कुछ बाकी था जो अभी आपने पूरी तरीके से पढ़ा नहीं है। दैट मीन्स एटलीस्ट वन कैरेक्टर इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग। ठीक है, फाइन
यस
फाइन। एनीबडी एल्स हु वांट टू आस्क एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस?
यस सर।
या प्लीज
सर, क्यू इनिशियल पर हमारे पास कोई भी मतलब ए नहीं होता, बट Q1 के 1 तक आते तक हमारे पास सिर्फ एक ही ए है, बट वहाँ पे दो ए कैसे, मतलब दोबारा से एक ए हमने स्कैन किया है सर।
एक मिनट होल्ड करो आप। दर्शन राज वाज द लास्ट वन इन द चैट बॉक्स। यस, हाँ, ये किसका सवाल है? आदित्य झा।
यस सर।
हाँ बेटा, एक बार दोबारा पूछो, व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग।
सर मतलब फर्स्ट एग्जांपल जो था उसमें एक ही एक्सेप्ट कर रहा था वो।
पहले फर्स्ट एग्जांपल पर ही आ जाते हैं।
यस सर।
बोलो। ठीक है।
तो इनिशियल स्टेज पे कोई भी डेटा हमारे पास नहीं है, कोई भी ए नहीं है हमारे पास, बट वो फर्स्ट बारी जब चला तो Q1 तक हमारे पास एक ए आ चुका है, सिंगल ए। तो अभी Q1 के पास स्टेज में डबल ए कैसा है? दोबारा से ए आया Q0 से Q1 तक जब हमने इसे रिजेक्ट किया।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, Q1 के पास डबल ए आपका सवाल, आपका डाउट ये है कि Q1 के पास डबल ए कैसे आया?
यस सर।
हाँ, ध्यान से समझो, Q1 के पास डबल ए कभी नहीं आया। Q1 पर जब हम खड़े हैं तब तक तो हमारे पास केवल एक ही ए आया था, बट जिस वक्त एक ए आया तब हम Q1 पर ही तो खड़े हैं। देखो हमारा ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन कैसा होता था? हमारा ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन ऐसा होता था कि हम एक स्टेट यहां लिखते थे और यहां पर एक सिंबल लिखते थे, और यहां पर क्या होता था, एक दूसरी स्टेट लिखते थे।
यस सर।
ठीक है, अब ध्यान से समझो, अगर ये QI है और ये QI+1 है, एक ट्रांजिशन। दूसरा ट्रांजिशन, ये QI+1 है और ये QI+2 है। एक्चुअली यही तो केस हुआ हमारा। जहां पर मैं अगर i को 0 मान लेता हूं तो Q0 से a पर तो Q1 आई गई और Q1 से a पर Q2 आ गई. दैट्स व्हाट द केस.
यस सर यस.
अब एक्चुअली Q1 पर जब हम पहले से खड़े हुए हैं तब तो हमारे पास एक ही a आया है, ठीक. लेकिन Q1, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि Q1 आगे सिंबल्स रीड नहीं कर सकती. इसका मतलब ये है कि Q1 याद केवल एक a को रखेगी. Q1 विल रिमेम्बर ओनली 1a.
ओके.
अब इसके बाद जो सिंबल आएगा उसको पढ़ने का काम तो Q1 का ही है, लेकिन याद
ओके.
रखने का काम Q1 का नहीं है. उसको याद रखने का काम किसका है?
Q2.
Q2 का. तो
ओके.
Q1 दो बार
Understood.
यूज हो रही है. एक बार पुराने आए हुए सिंबल को याद रखने के लिए और एक बार
फिर नए वाले को read
नए
करने
वाले
के
को रीड करने के लिए. उसको याद रखना Q1 का काम नहीं है, याद आगे वाली स्टेट रखेगी. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
गॉट इट.
Yes.
एनीबॉडी एल्स इज हैविंग
Yes.
एनी मोर डाउट्स?
सर इसके रिलेटेड में एक डाउट आया जो आदित्य ने पूछा अभी.
पूछो पूछो पूछो, जो भी डाउट है
सर
पूछो.
अभी जैसे आपने बोला कि एक स्टेट एक ही क्या क्या कहते हैं स्ट्रिंग.
एक मिनट रुको, मुझे चेक करने दो. मेरा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कंसिस्टेंट तो नहीं है. फ्राइडे है ना आज?
यस सर.
हाँ ठीक है. नाउ यू आर फ्री, आराम से पूछो. हाँ बोलो.
तो सर एक बार डायग्राम पे चले जाना प्लीज.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल. डायग्राम पे आ गए. कौन सा डायग्राम?
हाँ यही वाला चलेगा.
हाँ जी बोलो.
अब सर जैसे आपने बोला था कि एक स्टेट एक ही चीज अपनी मेमोरी में रख सकता है.
फिलहाल के लिए ऐसा मान लो आप. अभी जो हम
Okay.
क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं उसके रिस्पेक्ट में इसको हाँ मान लेते हैं. आगे चल के मैं इसमें रेक्टिफिकेशंस कराऊंगा.
ओके. तो सर अभी सिर्फ Q0 और Q1 हम लाइक पिक्चर में रखते हैं, ठीक है. तो
ठीक है.
Q0 पे A पास हुआ सर, उसने वो A अपनी मेमोरी में रखा.
नहीं.
सॉरी नो,
Q0 ने
Q0 से Q1 पे पास हुआ, Q1 ने अपनी मेमोरी में रखा.
करेक्ट. अभी ठीक है.
ओके. अब सर Q1 से जब दोबारा Q0 पे A जाएगा,
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो वो Q0 अपनी मेमोरी में रखेगा.
हाँ रखेगा.
ठीक है सर. अब उसके बाद मान लो यूजर ने और एक इनपुट करा,
हाँ.
तो वो Q0 से दोबारा Q1 पे जाएगा.
हाँ.
वो थर्ड A हुआ हमारा सर.
हुआ.
और Q1 के रिस्पेक्ट में सेकंड A हुआ.
हुआ.
तो सर वो Q1 वो दूसरे A को भी मेमोरी में रखेगा क्या?
रखेगा.
तो सर वो दो एक साथ रखे उसने?
नहीं रखे.
तो पहला वाला निकाल दिया?
नहीं निकाला.
तो ये कैसे?
हाँ इसके लिए आपको एक लेक्चर का वेट करना है.
ओके.
ठीक है. ये सवाल बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, लेकिन इसको भूल मत जाना पूछना. ठीक है. इसके लिए वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. अगले लेक्चर में व्हेन आई विल डिस्कस सम मोर क्वेश्चंस, ईवी नॉट से रिलेटेड मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस कराऊंगा. ठीक है. वहां मैं आपको इसका आंसर करूंगा और इसको दोबारा पूछना.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. रिमेंबर दिस डाउट. आई विल आंसर दिस इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. एनीबॉडी एल्स?
यस सर.
यस.
यस सर, दूसरे क्वेश्चन में डायग्राम.
दूसरे मानसी आप नेक्स्ट क्लास से ना कोई अच्छी जगह पे बैठो जहाँ पे शोर वोर नहीं हो. पंखा चल रहा है क्या आपके आसपास? पंखा या कूलर?
हाँ सर, पंखा चल रहा है, बंद कर दो एक मिनट.
हाँ थोड़ी देर के लिए उसको बंद कर दो.
यस सर, इज इट ओके?
हाँ दैट्स फाइन नाउ. अब बोलो.
ओके सर. सर इसमें Q1 है तो उसमें हम लोग मतलब उसमें टेम्पररी रिजेक्टेड होता है ना A.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
तो सर तो उसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो मतलब कि दूसरा है वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा.
कर सकता है. करेगा कि नहीं करेगा वो क्वेश्चन पे डिपेंड करेगा, बट हो सकता है दूसरा आगे आए तो कर सकता है एक्सेप्ट.
ओके
अभी
सर.
मान लो 3A का क्वेश्चन होगा तो वो दूसरे को भी रिजेक्ट कर देगा.
यस सर. तो सर तो Q2 है वो तो हम लोगों ने टेम्पररी एक्सेप्टेड करा है ना, मतलब कि वो है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
तो सर तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं हुआ कि वो मतलब कि ट्रिपल ए मतलब कि वो पास करेगा, तो फिर तो हम यहाँ पे तो ट्रिपल ए है ही नहीं, तो फिर कैसे ट्रिपल ए?
कहाँ पर ट्रिपल ए नहीं है?
मतलब कि क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया हुआ है ना हम लोगों को कि ट्रिपल ए हम लोग को पास करना है.
क्वेश्चन में क्या चीज दी हुई है?
दो एक पास करने.
पैटर्न. क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया हुआ है? पैटर्न. और हम किसको टेस्ट करते हैं? स्ट्रिंग को. अगर हम सिर्फ वही स्ट्रिंग टेस्ट करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है, तो पैटर्न और स्ट्रिंग में डिफरेंस क्या हुआ?
ओके सर।
भाई फाइनली हम एक पैटर्न के बेसिस पर किसी स्ट्रिंग को एक्सेप्ट या रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, यही तो पर्पस है ऑटोमेटा का।
ओके ओके सर।
अब अगर आप सिर्फ वो पैटर्न ही पास कर दोगे, केवल वही पास करोगे, डबल ही पास करोगे हमेशा, तब तो हमेशा एक्सेप्टेंस ही होगी ना, रिजेक्शन का तो केस ही नहीं हुआ।
हाँ सर।
रिजेक्शन तो तभी पॉसिबल है ना जब हो सकता है हमारी स्ट्रिंग उस पैटर्न को बिलोंग करे या ना करे। तो स्ट्रिंग्स हमें अलग अलग पास करके देखनी चाहिए। क्वेश्चन में जो दिया है वो स्ट्रिंग नहीं है, वो पैटर्न है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है?
हाँ सर।
फाइन। एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस?
नो सर।
फाइन। एनीबॉडी एल्स?
यस सर। सर डेड स्टेट मींस कि अगर हमने परमानेंट एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है तो आगे जो भी आएगा उसे एक्सेप्ट करता जाएगा लूप में, और रिजेक्ट किया है तो वो आगे जो भी आएगा उसे रिजेक्ट करता जाएगा लूप।
करेक्ट, बिल्कुल करेक्ट।
ओके सर।
एनीथिंग एल्स? कोई और सवाल किसी का? आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग। डोंट वरी, सेशन तब तक एंड नहीं करेंगे जब तक सेशन में आपके सारे सवाल आंसर नहीं हो जाते।
सर ऑल ऑफ माय डाउट्स हैव बीन क्लियर्ड।
गुड, वेरी गुड। मजा आ रहा है क्लास में?
यस सर।
यस सर।
इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है सब्जेक्ट?
हाँ सर।
चलो, वेरी गुड। कीप योर एंथुसियाज्म लाइक दिस ओनली टिल द एंड ऑफ द सेमेस्टर। ठीक है?
ओके सर।
चलो, गुड। नाउ यू कैन लीव द सेशन। लेट मी स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग। नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं।
ओके, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।